It is far heavier than the drum, for a fact.
Very, very heavy. And what I want to show you is actually very special over here.
Apart from this being rare itself. Okay, and you were talking about this.
This is the RZ250 master cylinder, which I'm
Okay.
going to use on this setup.
Okay. YHA 120.
Yes. So this you won't get written in the Indian models.
Okay.
You'll get this only and only in the US models. And see the condition.
So Maxwell, this is where you keep all your gold?
Yes.
Wow. This is a two-stroke paradise, man, Maxwell. Oh, wow. See, this is why two strokes will last forever. So Maxwell, this is your twin disc and hub setup.
Yes.
And Maxwell is kind enough to actually install it to show us how it's going to look, the final product. Wow. This looks time appropriate. This looks like the absolute state of art technology of the 80s.
It's ultra heavy. You want to check it?
Oh yes, it is ultra heavy. It is far heavier than the drum, for a fact.
Very, very heavy. And what I want to show you is actually very special over here.
Apart from this being rare itself.
Okay. So these belong to some XSR model. If you
Okay.
see this is one caliper.
Okay.
The other one is over here, which is opened and cleaned with WD-40. If you see, it's a little shiny.
Yes.
Any more than this one.
Yes.
So it's been kept to submerge a little more with WD-40.
Okay.
So that's happening over here.
Okay.
And so once that is done, I will clean the other one.
So
And
I have a
this-
question regarding these.
Yes.
Once this wears out,
Mm-hmm.
how are you going to replace it? This is next.
I have
mean-
3 sets.
Oh. Once the third set is done, then you can figure it out.
Yeah. Probably about say a 1.5 kilometers. I'll think about it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, and you were talking about this.
This is the RZ250 master cylinder, which I'm
Okay.
going to use on this setup.
Okay.
So if you can see, this is also in pretty decent condition.
Yes. So this is 10,000 times better than a Pulsar 220 brake setup. This actually, it justifies.
The name says it all, my friend.
Exactly. This justifies your RD350, man. Amazing, amazing. So I'm assuming you're going to have custom spokes.
Yeah, I'm planning to plonk in stainless steel spokes.
Hmm.
Another eye candy I'd like to show you. So this again is gifted to me by my friend Yona Martin,
Okay.
and this is an original US spec headlight dome. Now, what makes it a little more special
Yeah.
is this.
Okay. YHA 120.
Yes, so this you won't get written in the Indian models.
Okay.
You'll get this only and only in the US models. And see the condition. It's just barely this rust.
Which you'll take care of along with
That's
the paint.
pretty decently going to be taken care of.
Yeah, obviously.
However, I mean, people are literally selling these things for a bomb.
Is this supposed to be bent or?
Yes, this is how the
Okay.
headlight will work. So this is where it will actually touch the body
Okay.
back. So that's for this.
Okay.
That it's just a little bump over here.
And just to give me an idea, how much do these US spec?
So people literally ask for anywhere between 5,000 to 8,000 bucks just for this. Just for this.
Wow.
Yeah, and he gave it to me as a gift.
I want to meet your friend, man. Amazing.
So yeah, these are the few things that I'll be installing in my bike for sure in the coming future.
So in the next video, I'm hoping the disc brake should be set up.
Yes.
Or is that on for a later stage?
No, that you can see that in the next video for sure.
And when do you think both the cylinders will be firing at its
I
utmost
think it should take
capacity?
at least another say week or so. We are actually trying our best to procure someone who can do it for us. Now, understanding the fact that obviously I do not have any expertise within this field, within the specific RD field, so I'll not be able to do anything much.
But now that
However,
it's CDI, don't you think a mechanic like you would it will be more easier to work on, or do you
So-
still feel it should be handled by a RD specialist?
it should be handled by a RD specialist because see again, it's not cakewalk. For someone like me, if you open up an RX, bring it to me and ask me to get it done, I will do it.
Yeah, I can
However,
see that.
These things have a lot of technicality within it. And there are some people who say, "Arey, kuch nahi hai. There is, it all can be done," but it's not cakewalk, my friend. So this is the RD mudguard that we have over
Okay.
here. This is the front mudguard basically. So I might fit this in today.
Okay, just for an idea, how much do these go?
Again, it generally, if you get a one that is made, handmade, you
Yes.
will get it for somewhere between 5 to 8,000 bucks for a pair.
Okay.
This again, my friend gave it
It's
to me.
light.
So, yeah, this one is an aftermarket one.
Okay.
This is an aftermarket one.
Okay.
As I said, my friend has given it to me.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's about it.
And the rear mudguard?
The rear mudguard is gone for repairing. But if you want to see how the original one looks like,
This was the original one you had
this
mentioned.
was the original one.
Let me see the weight.
This is pretty decently.
Okay, it's slightly heavier.
Yeah, it's pretty much heavier. This is the other half. If you want to see how the whole thing looks
Okay,
like.
you'll need to go back. Okay.
This is how it looks. And it has the original mud flap, so you can see what is written on it.
Original is the word.
Yes.
That's what appreciates the value of these bikes. I mean, this is so rare that someone would actually keep a mudguard in this condition. Usually people would just throw it if it's some other bike like a Royal Enfield, but
No,
this is an RD, so
Yes.
even a scrap of a RD is worth more.
That's true.
Are there any other parts of RDs in your?
Yes, but then it's here and there. So
Acha. What are the parts?
I've got the leg guard. I've got the rear grab handle.
Okay.
I've got the indicators. They're broken though. but then
Okay.
The glasses are broken, but the rest of the indicators are intact. And then
I'm assuming you want to skip the sari guard.
yes, I probably might. Again, some people would want to retain originality.
Yeah, but it's a
However,
sari guard, man.
it's just a sari guard.
Just doesn't go with the looks of a Yamaha.
True. ये इंग्लिश बना के देने वाला कोई है अपने पास?
So Maxil, you put some extra foam, or is this how it's going to look? I mean, as per the original look.
As per the original look, yes. We're just getting this made now.
Okay.
So according to the original look, yes. If you get the cover and everything, it should look quite better.
It's got what, like 3 inches of foam.
Yeah, almost.
So it'll be a comfortable ride. So Raju cushion work. You can see how busy they are. They're just into making seats.
Yes.
One job only, and they're really good at it. So they are located in Thane, just in case if you want to know that.